Welcome back. Today we are talking about 3 different things you can try if you're having knee pain when you lunge. That's probably one of the most common things we see with lunging as people start to develop a little bit of knee pain. And again, when we're talking about building strength to solve knee pain, we want exercise to be part of the solution, not the problem. So here are 3 kind of workarounds to help you build strength in that lunge movement without aggravating the knees. First is to switch from a forward lunge to a reverse lunge. So again, a lot of people, when they're first learning to lunge, they're told to do a forward lunge, which again, in this position where you're stepping forward, you get a lot more of it's an eccentric contraction across the front of this knee. It puts a lot more tension along the front into your patellar tendon and in your quad, which for a lot of people, if you do it too much, can cause that knee pain, again, right above that kneecap, right under the kneecap in that patellar tendon. So what you can do is just switch to a reverse lunge, which is taking a step back, dropping the knee. Again, you lose a lot of that tension along the front. It becomes a much more hamstring and glute dominant movement, which takes pressure off the knee. So you can just try something as simple as that. Go from a forward lunge to a reverse lunge. Second thing you can do is just vary the lunge. So as you can tell, there's a lot of different variations to help you work up to the lunge. One of my favorites is the step up. So getting an 8-12-inch block and just stepping up and down. Again, this is the same lunge movement, but there's a lot less impact at the knee, which is going to help you if you have knee pain. Again, you can add weight to this. There's so many different ways to make this movement a lot more difficult if you're thinking it's going to be too easy, but it's a lot safer on the knees. So if you're having knee pain, just trying a different variation of the lunge. Third thing that you can try, if you have access to it, and I strongly recommend that you do, is using assistance with something like a TRX. So again, having assistance is going to help you build strength and confidence in that movement. You're going to be able to use your hands to kind of help pull you up, which is going to limit the impact that goes through the knees. So sticking with those reverse lunges, taking a step back. Again, I'm still pressing through the front, but I can use my hands to help me get up. And again, that's a way to limit impact through your knee as you start to build strength and confidence in the movement with the goal of getting back to be able to do the lunge without knee pain. So there you have it. If you are having knee pain when you're doing these lunges, give these 3 variations a try and let me know. My name again is Dr. Carl Baird. This is Solving Pain with Strength.